Good morning, student. Let us start our revision number 3. In revision number 3, I am explaining to you BODMAS rule. What is a BODMAS? In that your book only you will learn D mass, not a BO word you have not learned. In further one classes you will learn this one mean also, but you have to learn only this words D M A S. D means, so you have to remember all words name like B. B means bracket. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. Why we are using this BODMAS rule? Because when you will see this type of the question, what you have to observe here, if you will see multiplication also, plus also, divide and plus also, so many things are there. So we have a 4 operation: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So which one, it is a very difficulty which operation we will take first. So we are using our BODMAS rule. According to our BODMAS rule, we will solve our this type of the questions. How? See now. If you will look at this one, BODMAS, what is the first operation? It will come division. So in which digit you will see the division? Here is the division sign. If you got here division sign, in between of which two digit? This two digit. So you have to underline it like that. If you underline it, so which operation you are taking first? Division. So you have to put in bracket D. You have to put in bracket D. Next step, now you have to solve this division. How can you solve? Here you have to make a rough column also. Now 400 divided by 20, 10 se 10 we can cut it. Now 40 divided by 2, then easily you can divide it 2 in 40, then you will get your answer is your 20. So here I am writing instead of them 20. What is the answer of this one? 20. So remaining one digit as it is we will write 20 multiply by 20, because we have not solved till first. Now after that write their solution. It came 20 and the remaining 5. Now division is over. Now after, what is the sign? What is the operation? Is a multiplication. Now next step, you have to take multiplication. Now in which, where is the multiply sign? Here is a multiply sign, and between of two digit in this one. Now you have to multiply by 20, multiply by 20. Here I am explaining you 20 multiply by 20. You have to solve, then you will get here 400. So instead of them I am writing their solution. So here 400 plus 20 plus 5. Now after multiplication, what you will see? Operation addition. Now you have to take addition. Now all three of the digit is the addition. Now you have to add them, then you will get here 425 is your answer. Now another one example. This is the question. So what is the rule our BODMAS? So BO is not in your codes. So I am writing here DMAS, DMAS. Now DMAS, first word is your D. So you have to divide. There is a divide sign here. In between of the divide you have to do. When you have to divide in 70 by 7, then you will get in 7 table 70 is coming 10 times. So replace the digit of their place here, but the number will come 10 multiply by 1 minus 20. Now D is over. Now we take next one. Operation is your multiplication. So multiplication between all these two digits, here you have to write M. Now 10 multiply by 1, it means 10. 12 plus 10 minus 20. Now multiplication time is also over. Now next number is addition. So you have to do addition in between of two digit, then you will get 22. Then after minus 20. Last operation you have subtraction. 22 minus 20, it means 2 is your answer. 2 is your answer. Next question. This is the next question. Again we are using our DMAS rule. DMAS. Now first is D. So here is a divide sign. Now underline this divide. Then here you have to divide it. 500 divided by 50. Then easily you can cut 1 0, so 1 0. From 1 0 to 1 0 you can cut it. Now what is the remaining? 50 divided by 5. Now in 5 table 50 is coming how many time? We can't cut 5 to 5. It is a wrong if you will do like that. Only 0 we can cut. If numerator and denominator, if you will see their 0, then you can cut it. But in digit, another digit, you don't cut it. If you think about 5 in 5, then we can cut it. No, it is a wrong. Now in 5 table 50 is coming how many times? 10 times. Instead of them you have to write there this answer 10. Next one, as it is we will write 234 minus 24 into 1. Here what we have to take operation? Divide. Now next one, what we will do? Take multiplication. So here you have to do multiply. If you do multiply, then you will get 24 multiplied by 1 means 24. Now next operation, A, addition in. Now next step. Now here you will get a difficulty. Here you are doing addition. So addition you want to positive number. If you add this two number, it is wrong. Why? Because this 24 is your negative. How can you recognize your digit it is positive or negative? If I am writing here 2, this 2 is your positive. If I am writing here minus 3, this minus 3 is your negative. How can I find in front of the sign? Whatever the sign is in front of the digit, then we can understand this digit is your positive or negative. For addition, always take positive digit. For addition, always you have to take positive digit. Now this one, see, if it is not any sign, it means this number is a positive. So here 234 is a positive or negative? Positive. This 24 it's negative, and this 10 is also positive. Now in addition always take positive digit. So now you have to add 234 plus 10, because positive and positive we will add. That's why here we can shift plus 10. Then after remaining, what is the digit? Minus 24. You can write backside also. Then if you add, then you will get here 234 plus 10, 244. Now you have to subtract 24, then you will get 0, 2, 2. This is your answer. Understand this concept. Always in addition for addition you have to take positive digit. How can you take? Like that you have to write down one P and P. P means positive, N means negative. And remember this concept. Now next one. 1000 divided 20 multiplied by 0 and 60 minus 25. How can you do it this one? First we have to do divide. And divide in between of this two digit. So here 1000 divided by 20. We can cut only zeros. I can cut here 0. Then what is the remaining? 100 divided by 2. When you have to divide 2 in 100, then you will get here 50. So here I am writing 50 instead of them. Then remaining one digit 0 plus 60 minus 25. Now here is the multiplication. After D it is coming M word. Then M means multiplication. If you have to do multiply, then you will get here 0 plus 60 minus 25. After M the word is addition. Now addition in two digit, what you will get? 60. Then remaining minus 25. Now you have to do subtraction. Then you will get 10 minus 5. 5 here. The remaining 5. 5 minus 2. 35. That is your answer. I hope so. Understand and remember this two type of the concept. First you have to cut only zeros. No need to cut digit like that 5 to 5 you are cutting and then you are getting 0 answer. No, it is wrong. You have to cut only zeros. Either if you don't want to cut, then you can directly divide it. No need to cut it like that. You have to divide, like you have to which one you are doing, like that you are doing divide, so you have to do divide like that. I solve here this type of the question, C, E and H. Remaining one you have to solve it in your copy, and if you are getting any problem, then you can consult me through WhatsApp. Now question number 2, do this one. Divide the following numbers. You have to divide this 2 number and give your answer. Divide the following and find quotient and remainder. Right, what is the quotient, what is the remainder? You have to do this type of 2 divide in your copy and give the answer in quotient and remainder. In question number 3, and do this multiplication also. 1582 multiplied by 105 with 54, and here 6141 multiplied by 402 with 50. You have to solve this first 2 multiplication. After coming your answer, you have to multiply with answer this 54 also, and divide. If you once you have to divide it, and if you are getting problem in divide, then we will consult in our through WhatsApp, through calls.